be here with you tonight. Why we're here tonight? We're here for 5 reasons. One reason is to refresh a little bit our memory. Second reason is to celebrate our 20 years.
Is to give you some energy kicks, some small advice, if you like. And finally, to enjoy, to have fun, to have double fun, because last year we missed this opportunity.
It was a year, it is a year, but it will be a year to remember. I think it was a crucible in the history not only of Ukraine, not only of the region, of our region, but also of Europe. Ukraine, not only of the region, of our region, but also of Europe. In the beginning it was a revolution, and then an invasion, which ended up into a war. The economy is here. But we gained, we saved. First of all, we saved 51 people, 51 lives. Consumers to spend 14% of their wage, of their salary, into buying their favorite cigarette. We lost out of all this situation. We lost that they found a new house, a new hug, and a new job. Pushed back a lot of efforts to change our tax structure. We also achieved to decrease the price of the tax stamps, and finally, we decreased substantially illicit trade. We have a very strong brand family. Fuel further the growth of the phenomenal brand which is called Brezhnev. Expand delivery management, pan-Ukraine, 100% of the country, by the program We Better and More. I must say that in all activities of our daily life, we proved, professional life, we proved that we have these 7 leadership competencies that PMI has as a new, let's say, as a new impact in what we do and having strong agility. I'm so proud of you. I think everything you did this year, all of you, each and every one of you, from the drivers and the cleaning ladies and our merchandisers and our people in the office.
And the Oscar goes to Olga Ivanova, Irina Armstrong, Zhenya Podin, Evangelis.
So he says, and think about it for a second, innovation is faster when it is being built after an existing innovation. So what does it mean this for me? When I feel as I described before.
Okay, so I was thinking that, as you probably 99.9% know, I'm leaving. So I was thinking of putting together like a few last words from me, but more like speaking to friends, if you want, not to colleagues from the work, not subordinates, not nothing about the company. I worked 23 years and I've done. And this idea of what is the real meaning of life, it comes again and again and again and again. 2 years ago, in a similar event, those that maybe you remember, I tried to share with you a small story of a friend of mine, Phil, and his wife Annette, who was ill in the hospital. And one day, she said to him that, you know, Phil, I discovered what is the meaning of life. And the meaning of life is somewhere to go, something to do, and somebody to be with. That's the meaning of life. I also saw a quick survey, which is called the Street Survey, that it was done in US. And they are asking people, what do you regret? And I would like to share with you this video to see what people usually regret.
Not focusing more on what I truly want to do and want to be. Just
Much. So what people regret is usually things that they didn't do. Lost opportunities. Moments that were passed away without using them. Everything that they didn't do. A couple of months ago, one of our friends and colleagues, Tatiana Karpova, sent me a story about a lady who was very seriously ill. Her name is Adele, and she was blogging in the hospital. And I would like to read from her blog what she was writing a few days before she died. Shake it and believe in every second of it. Adore your children. You have literally loyalty with because there happens to be link through blood. Choose wisely, then treasure them with all the love you can. As you know, my friends, for people that they leave, they usually do farewell parties and gifts, and I would like to express my wish for my farewell gift. I would like, if we meet, and I'm sure we will meet each other in the future, every one of you will tell me, you know what? I changed this and I changed that, and I devoted more time to my son, and I told him more times how much I love him, and I went more times with my daughter for the movies, and I gave more flowers to my spouse, and I did so many great little things. I became more independent, I became more connected, because all these small things make our life meaningful. I would like to share with you my true emotions that I spent wonderful years, 3 years with you, and I thank you for everything you did, and your trust and your support and your help. I would like to wish you good luck. God bless you. Thank you very much.